Press button to cross. Only one person at a time, please. A ticket has been issued for riding your bike in the crosswalk.
What?
You are not allowed to ride your bicycle in the crosswalk.
What did he say?
A ticket has been issued. Press button again to delete ticket.
Oh my God.
A second ticket has been issued for jaywalking.
What? I am not going to take it for jaywalking.
A picture has been taken.
What? What? No, I'm not jaywalking.
Press button to cross. A ticket has been issued for jaywalking. Ma'am, you just got a ticket for jaywalking.
I haven't walked, Andreas.
All three of you ladies just got a ticket for jaywalking.
We haven't walked.
A second ticket has been issued.
We haven't done anything.
Press button again
Why?
to delete ticket. A third ticket, a fourth ticket, a fifth ticket was sent. Press button for surprise. A ticket has been issued.
A ticket has been issued? What?
A ticket has been issued for dog crossing. Press button to cross. 10, 9, 8, 5. Oops, I forgot 6 and 7. Your picture has been taken with face recognition technology. A ticket will be issued.
What? Denise!
A ticket has been issued for jaywalking.
What? So the ticket has been issued for jaywalking.
A ticket has been issued. Wait. Press button to cross. Only one person at a time, please. Press button for a second person to cross. And the button is pressed.
For jaywalking?
For who?
We didn't walk.
Jaywalk?
Wait. 199. Wait. Gentleman with the dog, press the button to cross, please.
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please pick up your dog
Why?
while crossing the street.
Okay.
Your picture has been taken and a ticket has been issued for jaywalking. Press button for surprise. A ticket has been issued. Your picture has been taken and a ticket has been issued for jaywalking.
Oh, that is hysterical.
Please do not jaywalk again. Please do not jaywalk again. Thank you.
Never did in the first place.
Ticket has been issued for jaywalking.
For who?
We didn't walk.
Jaywalk?
Wait.
199.
Wait.
Get back here. You get a ticket.
Well, I had the walking.
Press button to cross.
Okay.
A ticket has been issued for jaywalking.
Excuse me?
A ticket has been issued for jaywalking. Press button to cross.
I'm trying, dude.
Stop. Go back and press button.
I got that's already just standing here.
Well, every time you press
Yes, you in the red, sir. Press the button.
every time you press it,
Yes, you in the red, sir.
One more time, please. I want to give everybody a ticket here.